How are you making breakfast at home and what type of breakfast are you eating? Come with me, let's go to my kitchen and make some delicious healthy breakfasts. Hello, good everyone, you are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, as you all can say on the beginning of the video, we are making delicious healthy breakfast. Now be waiting we want make today, my people. Una see that egg it dey among of the thing we want use to make this delicious breakfast of today. Now be this one. I use just 6 egg and 3 sardine. Now waiting we need for this recipe, my people. Now be this one. Have you tried this recipe before? Have you tried this method of making breakfast before? If yes, let me know on the comment section. My people, now know so na sister, it always they like to they use small something. I don't know what thing they do me. As I want turn the eggs inside, I can notice that if I pour them inside, the thing it go full ground. Then I have to change the bowl I was using before. Now be waiting happen for there now, my people. So guys, we don't already turn everything together now with my carrot, egg, and sardine. We don't pour everything together now. Then we go come add that small nutmeg, small black pepper, and followed by small salt. We go just add that. Then come turn everything together. Then after that one, my people, we go come add them small mayonnaise, not too much, although you can put it the way you want it. Me, I know the two they like cream inside, okay? So I put them for small here. I think this one is not that much. Voila. Then we'll come marinate everything together so that may the salt, the black pepper, and the nutmeg and everything come to an agreement, you understand? After that one, we go come step and outside. This one and the bread we want use, my people. Now be this one. I need to remove all the edges when they the bread because I don't get that white bread at all. So I need to use what I have in my house. You understand? So now be this one, my people. After that one, they will come put two together. Come roll am like this, like say we want do meat pie. Because if you use one, you know if you cover it the way you want it, the thing go dey open. Now make me use two bread together, you get. Then after that one, I will come break just one egg. They will come use and take cover the bread very well. In case if we dey toast am for inside our pan, the thing no go dey open. Just the way we are doing with meat pie. You understand? Now be that one. After that one, I just look at it now. We are almost there. We are getting somewhere. So I can put some more chocolate butter for inside my pan. They can put all this bread inside the way you are just seeing it, my people. Then I can use that remaining egg. Can put an auto make the thing for the shine like shiny. You understand? So now the breakfast now be this for my people. Now, if you know say you don't watch this video, reshare. You never still follow this page. You never still share this video. You never like and you never leave comments. Kilode, what is going on? No. Oh yeah, now help a sister, help a mother. As you do, may God highly bless you. And to my returning followers, may God bless you all as soon as they support you again. If you not follow this page, which other page you go come follow? Am I not trying my best? Is my food not delicious? Have you not tested one of my recipe on this page before? Please be kono, help your girl, help your mother. Una bye for now. Thank you guys for watching and see you all in my next video. Una bye.